Deposit-taking SACCOs in the country are currently charged a deposit levy at the rate of 0.1%. SACCO deposit levy in the Amendment Order 2018, if adopted by Parliament, will see the rate increased to 0.125% this year, thereafter 0.1% in the following year. It is further expected to jump to 0.175% by the year 2022. The levy is meant to finance operations of the regulator, SACCO Savings Regulatory Authority.
The issues of increased levies, as a matter of fact, will all compete for the same financial resources that these SACCOs have, and that will reduce their capacity to lend money to their members, affecting their liquidity and also the ability to invest.
KUSCO fears should the amendments pass, SACCOs will be forced to increase interest rates on loans as well as go slow on growing deposit reserves, which could hinder investments.
It will obviously erode, one, the savings, and also it will be a disincentive to members to save more, because the more you save, the more is paid in terms of levy. So it is a disincentive to more savings. It used to be around 89 million Kenya shillings, but with the increase in savings, it's going up. So if we use the current statistics that we have, then we are looking at a situation where in the next 5 years we come to almost 144 million Kenya shillings, which effectively increases the burden between 59 to 89%. But in some SACCOs, it is already 100% by the time it is implemented.
Kiptoo has, however, assured SACCOs that some of the proposals in the miscellaneous amendment bill, such as creation of special impact members, would be recalled, reviewed and finalized next month before being tabled in Parliament.
The Cabinet Secretary for the cooperative sector, that is Peter Munya, will then submit a cabinet memo forwarding the policy, the cooperative policy to Cabinet for approval. It is upon approval of that cooperative policy that we will now amend the laws that govern the sector. And we have a timeline up to December this year to amend the cooperatives, the SASRA Act and the Cooperatives Act. Those two amendments will be done in line with the new policy framework.
Savings and credit cooperatives currently have 307 billion shillings in deposits and an asset base of 442.9 billion shillings mobilized from an estimated 3.6 million members. Ronald Willie, Business Defined.